Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Bring your feet together and your arms in front of your chest with your right arm above your left arm. Then pull your arms out to either side. Twirl your hands inward and down, then extend your arms straight toward the camera, palms out, and hop back on your right foot while bringing your left foot up. Bring your arms and your left foot down, then bring your right foot up to meet your left foot. Step behind your left foot with your right foot, and put your left hand on your hip as you bring your right hand up near your face with your fingers spread out. Bend the fingers of your right hand in toward your palm twice. Step back out to the right with your right foot and bring your hands up near your shoulders before pushing them out to either side and looking to the right. Put your left hand back on your hip and bring your right hand up to your head as you look to the left and bend your right knee. Slide your right hand down the side of your head and your neck as you turn to the left. Repeat part 2. Bring your feet together and both arms horizontally in front of your chest, with your right arm above your left arm. Pull your arms out to either side, then quickly move your right hand to the left, then outward before bringing it back in to rest on your chest. Move your left hand in, then out, up, and around your head to the right side of your face. Look to the right and move your hand out to the right twice, keeping your elbow bent, as you bend your right knee twice. Place both hands on your chest and turn to the left before sliding your hands down to your leg. Bring your right hand up and out in a big clockwise circle, kneeling on your right knee when your hand nears the floor. Once you bring your hand full circle, step in place on your right foot, then bend your knees while bringing your hands in front of your face, then pulling them out to either side. Put your arms back a bit, then bring them forward and up, palms up as you stand back up. Turn your knees to the right and extend your left arm as you move the back of your right hand down the left side of your face. Now turn your knees to the left, bending them a little more, and extend your right arm as you move the back of your left hand down the right side of your face. Bend your knees further and turn them to the right as you repeat the arm movements on the opposite side. Kneel down on your right knee while facing the left, and repeat the previous arm movements again. Move both arms back before bringing them up above your head. Bend your right wrist so that your hand is flat just above your head. Then bend your left wrist in the same way before moving your arms back out to either side and standing up. Repeat sections 1 and 2 of part 1. While facing slightly to the left, lift your right knee up and push both arms out to either side. Step back down with your right foot back a little, and bring both arms out to the left with one hand on top of the other. Turn to the right with your left hand on your hip, and bend your right knee as you twirl your right hand towards the camera, then in and up to the right. Roll your body as you bring your right hand down your face and neck. Put the index finger of your right hand on your lips as you swing your hips in a clockwise motion. Repeat the previous pose with your right hand up and to the right and your right knee bent, but bring your left hand out as well, keeping both elbows bent. After this, choose any 3 poses you want, changing at the beginning of each line. On the line Kanade awasete, point straight up with your right hand and step in place 4 times, starting on the right foot. Bring your arms down to your sides and quickly step in place 3 more times, starting on the right foot, before jumping a bit to separate your feet and bringing your arms further out to either side. Repeat section 3 of part 1 and the last section of part 2. Step to the left with your left foot and bring your right arm up. Touch your right foot down near your left foot as you bring your right arm down, then quickly step back to the right with your right foot as you bring your left arm up. Touch your left foot down near your right foot as you bring your left arm down. Step out to the left with your left foot and bring your right arm up again. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot and bring your left arm up to meet your right arm. Bend your knees and bring both arms down, then straighten your legs and bring both arms above your head again before slowly bringing them down to your sides.